Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by making sure the spy penguin can be spawned or encountered. If you unlock the blueprint, great. Otherwise, use the spawn command to create one immediately. Move into the creature's vicinity with a vehicle to avoid slow swimming, because getting too far will lose aggro. Once done, maintain line of sight and manage depth pressure. The spy penguin favors shallow ice caverns, so position yourself near the exit and be ready to interact quickly. You now approach carefully. Slow movements reduce panic, and stopping at about 2 to 3 meters gives you a stable window for interaction. Make sure to avoid aggressive tools or heavy thruster bursts, because the spy penguin will flee under sudden force. Once the interaction prompt appears, press the key and hold steady. The game will attach the device or initiate the recorded behavior. If you time it right, you'll secure the spy penguin without damage and can observe its telemetry or behaviors. Finish by securing whatever the spy penguin provides. Transfer logs or items to your inventory straight away, because creatures can vanish after interaction. If it becomes skittish or hostile, use a vehicle to tow while keeping distance, and make sure to back off roughly 10 to 15 meters to reset its state. If you encounter a bug where it won't attach or disappears, reload a save or respawn the creature via console. That commonly resolves attachment and spawning glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.